Hello, everybody. So today in this PowerPoint, we're going to review the elements of a story. So our learning target for this little mini lesson is that I can identify the different elements of a story. I know I have it when I can determine the plot, problem, solution, characters, and the setting of a story. So we're really going to hit those points: plot, problem, solution, characters, and setting throughout this whole PowerPoint. So what are the key elements of a story? The key elements of a story, as I just stated, are the setting, characters, plot, problem, and solution. Now later on in the year, we will dive deeper into plot, but right now we're kind of just going to talk about plot as a whole. The setting of a story. So the setting of a story is where and when a story takes place. So sometimes this is directly stated in the story, and sometimes you have to kind of figure it out on your own with the given details. So that just kind of depends. Here's an example. This morning, I was sitting at home participating in a virtual Zoom session when my dog started barking loudly in the background. So take a second and think, what is the setting of this sentence? So what did you come up with? Good. So the where is at home and the when was this morning. Next, we're going to talk about characters. You probably recognize these characters right here, very popular. But characters are the main actors in the story. Characters can be people, animals, or other creatures. So now I want you to think about a book or a movie you've seen or read recently. And then I want you to think about your favorite character from this book or movie. And think about what characteristics they have. So just take a second to think about that. The plot of a story is the series of events that happen. So these are the various events that happen through the story. This is what a plot diagram looks like. We're not going to go into so much detail about this right now. As of now, all you need to know is that the plot is a series of events. We'll go into more detail about the whole plot diagram later on as we go further into the semester, but I just wanted you guys to get a little glimpse of it. Next, we have the problem and solution. So the problem is a conflict the main character must solve, and the solution is how the problem or conflict is solved. So now I want you to think back to the main characters that you thought about when we were talking about characters, and maybe think about the problem or solution that they had in the book or movie that you read or saw them on. Now I want you guys to really think about this. So next time you're reading a story or watching a movie, in your head, I want you to start thinking, when and where is this story taking place? Think about the setting of the story. Who are the characters? What are the series of events happening in this story to form the plot? What is the problem and how is it solved? To really keep those in mind. And then these are our learning resources of the day. If you actually click on the PowerPoint link instead of the video link, you can click on these and they'll take you to different vocabulary videos or different resources that you can learn more information about story elements on. As you're going through and listening, you're more than welcome to pause this video if you need to stop, or if you can fast forward and go backwards, whatever you need to do while you're watching this video. After this, you should complete the story elements Rabbit Laughs assessment on Google Classroom in the ELA Google Classroom under classwork. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.